What is up, you guys? Joffrey here, Candy Customs. This is 1950 Chevy pickup. Built this truck. It's a replica of the pastor of my church's truck, Mike Booker. He drag races. This is just a show truck that he has. He takes it around, and really nice truck, built really well. And I thought it would be cool to make a replica of it. So what I did, take this off. First time using this tripod. That is just craft paint on the bottom, silver rattle can, and then that is marbleized purple. What I did, I marbleized it with I shot just a base coat of black over it. Then I shot the silver and then dabbed it with the saran wrap, and then shot purple candy over top of it. I'm gonna put pictures of the truck on there so you guys can see. Actually, I have a small picture of the truck. Right there. Calls it Dodge truck. Pretty nice. This is that is a lot going on in there. It's all wired plumb. It's got a metal firewall, linkage. The valve covers, the blower hat, the MSD box, those are all 3D printed. It was a 5-window, so I put the glass in and then did the body work on those. The plate he has on there, it says God's Grace. I 3D printed the roll pan. I designed it and 3D printed it. Popsicle sticks in the bed. He has a decal for his daughter that had passed in the back window. So her name was Abby, but it's so small I couldn't write it out, but the decal has a heart in it. So I just made that and scratched the heart in it with like a little needle. Get in there on the interior, guys. I'm gonna put pictures of the truck up. That way you guys could see how it looks. That's about it. I had a good time building this one. It was fun. I like building replicas of people's cars. Mike is a great guy. So I'm gonna give it to him. We have a piston power show coming up tomorrow. I'm gonna take it to that, and then when that's over, I'm gonna give him the truck. But thank you guys. Sorry I haven't posted any videos in a while. Been a little busy. But everybody take care and God bless you guys.